What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Bonus Parts channel. If you are new here, thanks for visiting. Hopefully you enjoy what you see. This will be a pretty brief video. We're just going to talk about this. The new truck. It's a 96 GMC Sierra 1500. The V6, automatic, two-wheel drive, normal 90s GM problems. So let's talk about it. Alright, so let's jump in the truck here real quick. Nice broken door handle. As is typical for a mid-90s GM. It's got the tasteful hole in the seat, busted off door pad and interior door handle, but that's alright. Let's see how she fires up here. What a decent little truck. Good oil pressure, voltage. Yeah, seems to work fine. Even got power steering that works, kinda. We'll back her up here. So, I'll turn this around real quick. Alright, now that we got the truck turned around here, you can see it's very dirty. It's got about 180,000 miles on it. Drives good, park and brake works, does have that ABS light, which you can see there. I believe that's a bad wheel hub on the left front, but we'll look at that in a later video. Yeah, so let's go take a look under the hood. See what we can find. Alright, so you'll notice it's a really pretty quiet running engine. Underhood light still works. It may not be visible, but there is a hemorrhaging water pump leak. Thankfully the intake manifold appears to be dry. But yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Try and zoom her in here. You can just barely catch a hint of it. Alright, let's see. Can you see it? The harmonic balancer wobbling around a little bit, and that idler pulley right there is also loose, and I think that's what's making that little chittering noise. Tensioner's not bad. That'll get replaced also. Put a belt on it, but that's where we're at for now. But overall, pretty solid unit. It's got your typical cab corners, needed some work, got repaired, but sits and idles good. Long bed, two-wheel drive, two doors, obviously. Should be a good truck. Let's talk about what we're going to do. Alright, so let's talk about this truck, what we're going to do here. It's going to be a runaround truck, primarily just hauling short loads, working around the yard, getting stuff done. Family member bought a bigger piece of property, and we're going to use that to get done what we need to do out there. So immediate plans are going to be fix the water pump and take care of the belt drive so that can be nice and quiet, not leaking fluid, everything will be good. Seal up the transpan, do some valve cover gaskets, and I think from there we're going to see where we are. The cab mount to my left is expired, so we're going to have to look into welding a new piece of metal in and getting that fixed up. But all in all, it's a pretty solid truck. It runs, it drives, it turns, it stops. We'll see what we can do with it. Oh, and yeah, I will get a video of that driving. I keep charging my GoPro and I forgot to put it in, so we'll see what we get.